Who designed Fort Pulaski? Have you ever wondered who was behind the design of one of the most important forts during the American Civil War? Fort Pulaski, located on Cockspur Island near Savannah, Georgia, was a key coastal fortification. Its design was part of a larger United States strategy to protect vital ports following the War of 1812. The fort was named after Count Casimir Pulaski, a Polish nobleman who bravely fought for American independence during the Revolutionary War. The credit for the design of Fort Pulaski goes to General Simon Bernard, a French military engineer. After the Napoleonic Wars, Bernard worked for the United States Army and contributed to several coastal defenses known as Third System forts. His plans for Fort Pulaski were finalized around the year 1827, and construction kicked off in 1829. The early stages of building the fort were overseen by United States Army engineers, including Major Samuel Babcock. A notable figure during this time was Lieutenant Robert E. Lee, who had just graduated from the United States Military Academy at West Point. Lee played a significant role in selecting the site for the fort and in designing the drainage and foundation systems. These systems were essential to support the heavy masonry structure on the marshy island. After Lieutenant Lee was reassigned, Lieutenant Joseph Kingfenno Mansfield took over the project. He supervised the construction for many years until its completion in 1847. Fort Pulaski was designed to withstand naval attacks and was capable of mounting a large number of cannons. Its thick brick walls and strategic location made it a formidable defensive position. During the American Civil War, Fort Pulaski was initially used by Confederate forces. However, in the year 1862, it was besieged and captured by Union troops. This siege showcased the vulnerability of masonry forts to new rifled artillery, marking a significant change in military engineering and fortification strategies. The design and construction history of Fort Pulaski are important because it became a symbol of traditional military engineering while also reflecting the rapid changes in warfare technology. The siege of Fort Pulaski is often studied as an example of how new artillery could overcome even the strongest brick fortifications. This event influenced future military strategies and the design of defensive structures. Fort Pulaski's story highlights the shift from older, static defenses to more dynamic approaches in response to advancements in weaponry.